This is a monarch butterfly. Butterfly wings are made out of scales. Flowering fields like this will attract butterflies and other insects. This monarch butterfly has the same colors as the tiger, an orange background with black stripes. This monarch butterfly is on a milkweed flower. The monarchs are attracted to this kind of flower. Butterflies have tubes to drink flower nectar. Butterflies begin their lives as caterpillars. They metamorphize into butterflies. Monarch butterflies migrate like birds. They travel thousands of miles in the fall. The monarchs spend the winter in warm places like Mexico and California. Monarchs return to higher latitudes when it warms up again in the spring. Monarch butterflies can grow to almost 5 inches across. Monarch butterflies lay their eggs on these milkweed plants. This has been a nature profile for Prairie Scholar. Happy adventures!